It's crazy.
Hi, this is not a face review. So as you may have guessed, I built my own custom keyboard. And in my biased but correct opinion, it is the greatest keyboard ever created on this realm. So let's break down the parts. Keyboard is a drop alt high profile Barebones keyboard. The switches are the Akko Jelly Black and the keycaps are the Artifact Bloom series Turquoise and Pearl color. And of course, Lube. I use the Krytox 205 grade 0. And this is what it looks like. I should probably show the front. There you go. Beautiful, simple, sexy, slick, heavy, and of course, once I plug it in, RGB baby. Now you may be wondering why I call this the greatest keyboard of all time. Well, the reason is simple. It's because I made it.